I can't believe it. There's Canadian geese here. They're all mixing and mingling. You guys are too much. Seagulls. You name it, they're here. Hey, my duck friends. You guys my friends? I have no friends. I only have you guys as my friends and my dogs. Yeah. Look at you guys walking away. Don't walk away. Aren't you beautiful? Come on. Look at the beautifulness of you guys. They don't fly away. Wow, listen to the wings on those birds. They don't fly away. It's pretty mucky out here. Yeah, look. I can't believe there's Canadian geese here. First time I've seen you guys here. Did you fly here? Because it's warmer? You got away from the winter in Ontario? Yeah, I know. It isn't good over there. Hey, you guys are above me now. You're above me. You're on a mountain. The stone. Getting ready to fly away. Hold on, there's something not right here. It kind of blends in. You guys blend in with this. Oh, there you are. That's interesting. Wow, it's an ugly day today. Raining. Look at all the shells down here. That's strange. There's a little spot on my camera. Rain. Let's see here. I'll just wash it. Wow, look at all those shells. There's 100 billion of them. Hey, you guys. Hey, it's really sandy in here. Tide's going out. Guys can't complain. I know it's shaking out. Ooh, I'm shaking. Oh, that's interesting. I wonder what scared them. Ah, it's cool. Something upset ya. I'm shaking like crazy.